WRCC fans, and it's the second video in a day coming up to Christmas, and I've got one to do tomorrow as well. It's another new arrival. This time it's 1968 Almond Green Morris Minor Traveller. It's absolutely stunning car, really nice. Last owner's had it for years, just decided to move it on. So WRCC Minor Centre, here we go. It is a 1968 Almond Green Traveller, only 4 previous keepers. Excellent car always round. It's had a lot of money spent on it in the past, with another major Morris Minor specialist. So full restoration, older restoration, but still in superb order, as you can see. Lovely shine on the paint there, lovely shine always round. The specialist in question is no longer in business, so I'm sure you can imagine who that is. Although they were our Dr. Moriarty, the utmost to respect for the quality work that they did, and that's certainly reflected in this car. Structurally very good. As I say, the paintwork's really good on her. As you can see, I'll just go around again. No bubbling on the doors or anything. These are the odd imperfection on it. As I said, it is an older restoration, but it is a very nice one. It's an oldie but a goodie. Only 4 previous keepers, so we'll go around her again. So the wood's in absolutely superb order, aged to perfection, which is my new thing, instead of saying the P word, which I'm going to have to get out of the habit of, because I don't really like that either. Chrome's all good. All the windscreen rubbers, rear rubbers and runners are all in good order as well. The glass is all in good order. There's no scratches or anything on it. Interior wise, I'll just move this. So it's had new carpet fitted at some point. Door aperture's all nice and clean. Bakelite steering wheel's in excellent order. You've got your kick pad on the tunnel there, which is a nice touch. Door cards, pulls all in good order. Headlining's lovely. You've got your cream fleck headlining, and the sun visor's in good order. Interior light's not cracked, as you can see. Seats all in good order. You've got your inertia wheel front seat belts, the back seat and interior trims are all in good order as well. Very tidy car. I love it. But I do love a good Minor, as you well know, the Morris Minor that is. It's showing 58,000 miles. It runs and drives really nicely. You have got your gauges down there. So you've got your water temperature and voltage gauges to show that it's doing what it should be. Just pop the bonnet on it and then get it started. So runs and drives real well. Give it a bit of a rev for you. So there we go. I say exterior wise, really nice. We are under the bonnet, which again is really nice. Inner wings and everything really tidy. There's no upgrades on it, so no servo, no alternator. It's as it came out of the factory. Have a look in the back. So interior trims all nice and clean and tidy. Insides of the doors all really good. As you can see better from here, the headline is really good. It has got a nice history file which is full of receipts and bits and bobs. As you can see, it's a previous show winner, so it's won a lot of prizes. That's how good she is. Runs and drives really well. Obviously we can do any upgrades that you'd want doing on it. So servo, disc brakes, alternator, electronic ignition. It's on at 16,750, given the standard of her. That comes obviously 3-month warranty, 12 months MOT, new coat of protection underneath, and fully serviced. You get a copy of the service sheet. So for further details, 16,750. Give us a call, 01422 881221. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. This video will obviously be on YouTube, which is probably where you're watching it. Or full details will be on eBay, Car and Classic, and at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. So if you're interested, give us a call. Same again, it's the beginning of December or mid-December, it's coming up to Christmas. Throw us a cheeky offer at it, and you never know, we might be feeling generous and very festive. Give us a call, option 1, sales, and you want to speak to Dan, that's me. If the green one's not for you, we've got the almond, we've got the roast talk one there as well that's just arrived, which will be the same price, the same standard. So we've got cars coming in and out all the time. Cheers guys.